In this video, I would like to show you how you can introduce yourself to the course community. Now, why exactly should you even introduce yourself to the course community? Well, for me as a teacher, as an instructor, it's always amazing to get to know my students, to know a little bit more about you, and also to already deal with the problems that you might have. Whether it's with your communication skills, whether it's with your leadership skills, or anything related. So what I want to do with you, first of all, is I want you to introduce yourself in the course community. In order to do so, just go to the right top corner, click on Go to Dashboard, and then afterwards, when you are in the dashboard, please click on Q&A. When you are in the Q&A section, there will be a little white box. And in that white box, you can normally ask me questions, but this time I want you to answer one question. And that is a very simple one, and that is just simply, why are you taking this course? It would honestly mean the world to me if I could see you in the Udemy Q&A section. So alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other in the next one.